Hi guys, it's me Karen and welcome back to my channel. Today I've come to show you some heavy mail I got. It's a little birthday present from one of my subscribers. She knows who she is. She's already gotten her thank yous, but I want to thank her again. I got this beautiful Dr. P.H. Martin's bleed proof white, which we're going to use on our Disney page that we are doing. In fact, I might do a little of it today, right while we're doing this, but I wanted to show you everything I got here before I do that. And she got me the box of 12 of the Prismacolor Premier Black pencils, which I really thank her for because my are getting so dinky, it's ridiculous. So now I have a whole set of beautiful pencils that I can always go to. I have a 12 set of white ones that I just love, and I haven't gone through them all yet, so really happy about that. And the stencil here, which you can not really tell what it is, so I'm gonna open it up. These are 6x6 stencils that I kind of collect. I do cards and stuff with them, but they can also be used in coloring books. So this is the set that is called what does it say? I'm not going to give you the stencil name on here for some reason. No. Okay, well, I can tell you what they are. This is a tree here, and these are gosh, can't pick them up. Wait, do they say on this thingy? TCW 25-2S on this one, the birch trees. So you can use these two ways. I've got like a distress ink here. Wrong color for what goes on because this is going to show you the well, background. So we're just going to do this because that's the color I have out. So you kind of pounce it around. Get it back where it was supposed to be so we don't mess it up too much. Okay, so you get that tree effect going on. If you did a blue color ink, you'd get blue in the background, but you kind of want these little things to be the color of the tree. So that's that part. Let me get that wiped off. Should probably use some water on that. Where's the water? A little water bottle on my desk. Get that clean. That'll probably give us a nice little light effect there. The other thing you can do with this is use it as a tracing thing. Get my little black pencil out. Say you have a color book and you want to do a background. You can lay it down and then go over the areas here. Just say if you don't know or don't want to sit and draw your own trees. That's what I should say. Okay, so you get your tree here, and then you can color it in, bring the lines out a little more to give them a little more of a ridge. You got your branch, you can pull out some more branches. But it's a fun and easy way to put the tree on the background, and then you can just color it like it was there to begin with, which is a fun thing to do. This tree here, just do it quick. The other one showed you the emptiness of the tree part. This will show you the tree. So you get a tree. So this one you have the open space. This is the negative space. So if you wanted to color, all you have to do is bring the little spaces together on this one and you would have a tree in your background. You can do this with any color you want. Browns, blacks. Black would be a really good one to make a reflection or a shadow in the background. Only thing you want to do is make sure you clean these, especially if you have ink on them. Distress ink is water soluble until it dries. It won't really dry on the plastic, but you never know. You don't want to put another color on top of it and have it turn funky color on you. But that's what those are. You know what the Prisma Black does, so we're not going to bother with that. This is the page we're working on in the Disney book, and around the corners up here on the castle piece, they are done a little white reflection, and I wanted to see if this would work up there. So we have that, and we have a tiny little paintbrush. I think I'll have to get you down to see this, so hold on. Okay, so I'm talking about these little, yeah, those little square things on top of the castle piece. So this has already been shook up, and I'm just going to take a little piece out of the lid here. Put a little on there. And then just take it trying to make a straight line across the top of those, and then down a little. Yep, I'm going to try to get that a little better. And then I'm going to let that dry and see if the blue will bleed through that white paint. Or the black. I'm pretty sure you can color over this, so if I've made a big boo-boo trying to do that, I will. With that little rag I had. Gonna wash it off of the paintbrush. There we go. It's a little paintbrush, so we don't want to get too much of that drying on there. So like the Posca pens, when I use them, do I have one here on my desk? I should. Posca all over the place. If you use the Posca pen and you put it on there, it'll soak up the blue depending on how much pigment you have on there. So let's say area here. We'll put it over here. It'll start to seep up the blue coloring. So when that dries, it's like when you put it on over here, it seeps up some of that color and it turns it a different shade of not bright white, which is what we want. So yeah, that'll look good. We'll take the little blue pencil. We've got one around here. It should be dry by now. This is Persian blue, we're using that. Yeah, we can straighten that out. And yeah, let's see, this one's picking up a little bit of those colors. I mean, I know that's not that exciting for you guys, but watch the paint as it dries. And yeah, you can color right over it. It'll take a little longer for that one to dry. I don't know if I'm actually coloring over it or if I'm scratching it off. I didn't give it very much time to dry either. But we are going to get that little effect up there, which I wanted. There we go. So that'll look cool. And there's a big area here where it's glowing from a light. And of course all our little stars up here. This is done with Posca, and see, it's all blue up here. So I want to see if I can't get that white too. So we'll be playing around with that on this page. So cool. Neat stuff. So yeah, I wanted to say thank you so much for all the little gifts here. Stencils are going to be fun. I could probably use that to make that branch over here. I'm sorry, there's a branch up here. And we can ink it in with black and help out that interesting area. So yes, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Get the camera up here. So yeah, if you have any questions on any of these products, leave a question down in the comment section below. I'll try to leave links if you're interested in them. You know, I think they're all on Amazon. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video I do. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye now.